Hello again, my name is Robert Gluck. I am a criminal defense lawyer here in the state of Florida, and I've been practicing as a trial lawyer for the past 27 years. Many people ask me, what happens if you're charged with a crime and how does a judge decide what your sentence is? Well, in Florida, we have what's called sentencing guideline score sheets and sentencing guidelines that tell a judge what range of punishment someone should receive if they're found guilty of a crime. The reason you want to hire me as your lawyer is that those sentencing guidelines are not written in stone. If you're appointed a public defender or you have a lawyer that's not aggressive enough or thinking outside the box, your lawyer will recommend that you accept a settlement within the guideline range and try and get you an offer in the lower end of the range and then tell you that that's a good deal and ask you to take it if they think that you're guilty of the crime you're charged with. Well, even if you are guilty of something, there is something in the law that says you're entitled to a mitigation of the sentencing guideline range if certain circumstances apply. If you're facing significant prison time, you may be able to have an evaluation done. If you have a mental health issue other than a drug addiction, and if you're amenable to treatment, and if you're having an ability to get recovery and you've documented that you're willing and able to do it, you can get a judge to order you into treatment and significantly reduce your sentence. And I've recently had someone facing 9 years in state prison receive 4 years of house arrest with drug treatment and with mental health counseling. And sometimes you can have a dual diagnosis because the law won't let you get a reduction for a drug addiction alone. There are ways around that law. If you know anyone that is facing a criminal charge and is saying that there's no point in hiring a lawyer because under the guidelines I'm facing prison time, I might be able to save them from going to state prison. So before you let them take a plea, call me.